What's happening, everyone? This is RTP and welcome to my first ever video. This channel will be all about my experience with techie products, editing tutorials, photography, etc. So if you like all that good stuff and more, then do follow me by smashing that subscribe button. Today we'll be unboxing the 13-inch MacBook Pro with a 2 GHz quad-core processor and a 512GB SSD. Just to let you know that I did purchase this myself, so there's no biased opinions here. So let's get into it. I had previously been using the iPad Pro 2018, thinking that I don't need a MacBook. But over the last 2 years, I realized the importance of full-featured apps, especially for my own personal use. Then, when Apple released the new MacBook Pro, a very minor update to the older model, I knew I didn't want to spend all that money on a device that's not much different to what I have now. And when adding the Magic Keyboard, comes close to the price of the MacBook Pro. So why would you want to spend all that money on something that's essentially a tablet? Is that a fair comment? So what specs have I gone for? I've gone for the latest 10th gen i5 processor, a step up from the first 2 models, which still offer the 8th gen. 512GB SSD, which is ample space for my editing videos and photos. We have a ton of storage space at home because we have a whole separate server for this. If you guys want to see something like that, a video about that, then please let me know in the comments below. The MacBook also has 16GB of RAM, which is more than enough memory to run everything I need, hopefully. New refined scissor mechanism keyboard, and wait for it, the escape key. Oh, how long were we waiting for that? Thank you. Also, 4 USB Type-Cs, which means more connectivity. It's important to remember that you can't really upgrade these Macs now because the hardware is actually soldered in, which is something I found out when I was researching before buying this MacBook. I didn't know this until I did my research, so this might be useful for you. So if you do want this product to last longer, then make sure you keep that in mind. Personal usage-wise, the MacBook is perfect for the sort of video and photo editing that I do. Organizing my photographs will be a lot more easier than it is on the iPad Pro. And people ask, why not the 16-inch? The reason why not the 16-inch is because I travel into London, obviously before COVID-19, and I love going to coffee shops and going to the park. I just love being outdoors when I'm being creative because I get inspired in those places. So for me, portability is so important, and this is what the 13-inch offers me. So let's get down to this and open this up. Ooh, this is nice. See, I like the way the packaging looks because it's so clean. It's just white. It has the picture of the actual product on the outside. Okay, let's do this. This is my favorite part. That's just me hearing the sound of peeling. Oh my god, this is so exciting. If I can open it. Usually I'm not that aggressive when opening stuff, but I'm just so excited. That when it's opening. Oh my god, it's like it's building up to something. Oh my god. Why am I so nervous? Why is my heart beating so fast? Oh my god, this is so much better in real life than watching other people talk about it. Okay, before I do this opening of the MacBook. Okay, so you got this designed by Apple in California. Stickers! Whoever uses stickers anymore? Okay, so this is another point I want to raise. Why haven't Apple designed a better kind of power supply? It's just been the same for the last few years. Plug. This wire thingy. I mean, look how clean that is. Look, it's just perfection. Okay. This is it. So it looks like this happens here. I'm really worried I'm gonna drop this, but let's see. Can you hear that? Oh, it's here, guys. The space gray is incredible. I love that. Absolutely love that. Okay, let me put this here so you guys can see. Oh my god, and it's booted up, guys. It has booted up. It's like it knows and it's excited to see me. Look at the design. I mean, this looks so sleek and clean. I mean, Apple are always on point with their designs. Now that I'm all set up, guys, my initial impressions are that the screen quality looks great. The trackpad is so much more user-friendly than other trackpads that I've been using. And I'm happy right now. I'm really, really happy. I mean, I love the color. I think for me personally, I prefer the space gray over the silver. You guys, it might be different. If you guys have the latest MacBook Pro, then do leave some comments below about what you like, love, and hate. I would love to hear what you guys think. I will be doing another follow-up video about the tips and tricks of this laptop, and most importantly, whether it's the right decision. Until then, this is RTP signing off. Thanks for watching.